Myself Sakshi and I am pursuing my graduation in medical semester 5th at Heritage and Autonomous Institution of Kanya Mahavidyalaya Jalandhar. As you all know that corona pandemic is still going on and nowadays it is at its peak level in India itself. Schools and colleges have been closed due to this. Students are attending their classes, majorly theory classes from their home through online portal. Meanwhile, in this critical situation, me and my friends got a chance to work on a project that is how to make organic soap at your own home, which is under DBT Star College scheme. So on the behalf of my whole team, I would like to tell what I have learned through this project and also share the procedure as well. There are different kind of organic soap like almond soap, rose petal soap, coconut soap, sandal soap, but as I have made coconut soap, so I will share the procedure of this. Chemistry behind this reaction is ponification. Means ponification is a reaction which is used to produce soap. In this reaction, a fat, maybe vegetable fat or animal fat, reacts with the strong alkali, that is lye. Here caustic soda, that is sodium hydroxide, to produce fatty acid, that is soap, and alcohol. So I have taken the requirements. I have taken 200 gram of coconut oil, caustic soda, that is sodium hydroxide, which is a strong alkali, also known as lye. Here I have used dissolved 50 gram of sodium hydroxide in 350 ml of water. You can also use potassium hydroxide in place of this, but if you want to make solid bar of soap, then you have to use this sodium hydroxide, but if you want to make liquid soap, then you have to use potassium hydroxide. So this is very versatile reagent as it used in the production of many other products like paper, pulp, glass making, and etc. Third ingredient is starch, that is this you can see. This provides the stiffness to our skin, but also it acts as a binding in this liquid and also provide thickness to our medium. So here I have taken this. In the procedure, our first step is to make the caustic soda, the solution of sodium hydroxide in water. As I have already made this, for this you have to dissolve 50 gram of NaOH in 350 ml of water. Second step is to hold this coconut oil on flame and add starch, 50 gram of starch in this coconut oil, stir it, and after this add this lye in this solution and dissolve until it completely dissolve into it. After that, keep this till the point when it becomes rigid. When it becomes rigid, just cut into any desired shape which you want, like oval, triangular, rectangular, as it. Now the question comes, is this soap good for our skin? Yes, you can calculate this by calculating the TFM value of soap. TFM value is the total fatty matter in your soap. As I have already told you that I have taken this into this quantity, is the quantity of my coconut oil is 200 gram and I have taken the caustic soda 50 gram, which is in 350 ml of water, which is very diluted, so it will not cause any harmness on your skin. So the TFM value of my soap is in between 78 to 85%, which is very good soap. So you can use it in your home for bathing, cleaning, washing, etc. So now I can tell, I hope you people will know how to make soap at your own home. Organic soaps are gaining immense popularity in these days because these are chemical-free alternative to conventional soaps. So at last, I would thanks all the chemistry faculty of my college and especially my in charge Ravneet ma'am for considering all of us for this project. Thank you.